Hello everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to add animated icons easily. Let's start. First, drag the video file to the track. Click Element part. And there is a sticker part, which has many animated icons for you to choose. Here I'm using this cloud and the shaking vlog text. Before using them, you need to download them if it is the first time to use, just like this. And then drag them to the track. We can set the position of icons, adjusting the size, and rotate it as you want. After finish, click the play button, check the effect. If OK, you can export the video now. Okay, that's all the video. Thank you very much for watching. See you next time.